Hey everyone, I just wanted to pop in and correct a couple things I got wrong in this video. The 8-ounce bottle is $24.99, while the 16-ounce bottle is $34.99. Currently, as of the day posting this video, they are on sale at $19.99 and $29.99 respectively. We have affiliate links below for all the Avalon King products that we have personally used and tested and that we can recommend. So if you decide to try these out using those links, it greatly helps the channel. If you find the video helpful and want to see more from us, please like and subscribe as well. While I am a socially awkward stick in the mud, do not think this is any reflection of the product. This stuff really does work. As mentioned in the video, I was a detailer years ago, and we just didn't have any products like this. You will see a couple different conditions we tested this in, and it really does have to be seen in person to quite understand how great the product actually is. This is advertised as lasting 6 to 8 months. Obviously, we can't really test that in real time now. Otherwise, the video would be 6 to 8 months out. It is ultra hydrophobic, super easy to apply. So let's jump into this hack job of a video. Alrighty, so today we're going to be testing out a new product, the Avalon King Armor Shield Lite. They sent us over this bottle to give it a test. Last week we went ahead and did a ceramic coat on the 22 WRX with the Armor Shield 9. I didn't do a video on this one quite yet. There's plenty of videos. This really wouldn't add nothing new. But if you can do a hand wax, you can definitely do this do-it-yourself ceramic coatings these days. So we're gonna give this car quick wash and then give this new detail spray a test. So a quick comparison here, this WRX, we did the ceramic coating like I said last week, so it's already got quite a bit of hydrophobic properties. We're also going to test the spray here on our beater Hyundai that hasn't been washed in a while and has never had a ceramic coating, so we can get a quick little comparison, see the difference between ceramic coated and non-ceramic coated with the detail spray. Okay, now the whole point of the video. It's the Armor Shield Lite. It's advertised, as a fast ceramic spray, super fast ceramic coating for an easy clean, super hydrophobic, maximum shine in your vehicle surface. Apply to any surface, anytime, in any condition, wet, dry, hot, cold. Simple spray and instant wipe application. I did some testing with this off camera a few days ago just to try to get a feel for it. I used to be a detailer, 15 years ago. We didn't have anything like this back then. We didn't have do-it-yourself ceramic coatings, barely any detail sprays that actually worked as advertised. A lot of janky stuff out there. So I'll just do a quick little demo here on the back panel where I got decent light. Then we'll jump over to the Hyundai. Not as good lighting over there, but again, that car hasn't been detailed ever. It's a 2016. Never clayed, never polished, waxed, compound, nothing. It's just been kind of the daily beater. So we'll see how that looks like on such rough paint. And we'll give this a shot right now. this is the panel we just wiped down. The Armor Shield Lite. Hopefully the camera's picking up decently. It seems to do pretty much exactly what they advertise it for. As for this car, like I said, I'm using it kind of as like a top-up on top of the Armor Shield 9. And it does leave it nice, streak-free, and clean. So we come over here to the beater Hyundai, and you can't really see it that well in this lighting. There's no sun right here. But what I notice is it's very smooth to the touch. Then you come over to this side where I didn't do it, and it's not. Don't do this to your own car, please, but it's not smooth. It feels like a car that needs a detail really badly. Over here, almost feels like it's been polished. I know it hasn't, and this will probably just go away eventually and end up like this side over here, but it really does feel really nice. Granted, it's on this thing. So real quick, I'm going to do a quick demonstration on the Armor Shield 9 for the front windshield here. When I did my car, I didn't get around to doing the front windshield because my fat ass got tired. So we're going to do that real quick right now. I'll just have this at the end of the video so anybody can see it. What you want to do, I've already done this outside of camera except for the alcohol. You're going to want to do a real good stripping soap. Avalon King offers one, as well as other companies too. Chemical Guys has some. I use the Avalon King because I just try to keep it all within the same realm of vendors. So you clean that off, strip all any wax contaminants off, then you do a quick rub down with some alcohol mixture, 50-50. I use 91 isopropyl alcohol and water. Then you put that over the windshield, wipe it down, let it dry off real quick, and then you can go ahead and put your ceramic coat on. So what you get in the Armor Shield 9 kit is obviously the Armor Shield 9 in a nice little metal bottle here. Then they give you a applicator block with a few applicator little cloths here. I generally use the traditional round like wax detail applicators. I prefer those. I don't like having to crimp the stuff into the block here. I'm going to use this here because this is exactly what you get in the kit, so I'll just go ahead and show you that. Then you just have to apply oh, you gotta open it. That helps. Don't need much, a few drops, because you can easily overdo it and it won't cure properly. And you apply it basically like a hand wax. Quick note, when you're doing the Armor Shield 9, the actual ceramic coating, any of the microfiber towels you use, you're gonna want to keep them separate. You can wash them, use them for things around the house. Don't mix them back in with your car wash towels. I would not risk having the dried ceramic coatings getting in the towels. I don't know how well it cleans out. So I would just kind of write them off, use them for household rags.